Hey everyone, welcome back to another product video for this hydrogen water bottle. I already had this water bottle for over 4 months now, and I must say this is a great addition to anybody's lifestyle. I like how easy it is to use. It comes with a glass bottle, comes with the top is glass also. So this is how it looks. This holds a decent amount of water. Here's the charging port on the back. It's a USB-C charger. Battery life lasts a long time on a single charge. Here's the on and off button. So the way to use it, if you touch it one time, the light will turn blue. And then that will be for your 5-minute low hydrogen water. If you long press it, the light will turn green for the 10-minute hydrogen. So I'm going to show you the 10-minute. So I touch it once, it turns blue. If you hold it down, it's going to turn green. And now it's going to hydrogenize for 10 minutes. So you can see the bubbles already working and adding bubbles to the water. After the 10 minutes is up, so you can see all the bubbles. And then listen to as you open it up. So it has like a lot of pressure inside here. So now the water has a lot of hydrogen in it. Overall, this is a great hydrogen water system. I like how easy it is to use. I also like the glass container, and it comes apart very easily. It charges with a USB-C, and the battery lasts a long time with this.